What we have here is a 2005 Ford Focus, and the tail lights keep blowing. The fuse keeps blowing. Here's what they call the umbilical cord. And I found about 4 or 5 wires in here, for whatever reason, completely exposed. That's why the fuse keeps blowing. So we basically just need to tape those wires up, and that will stop your Ford Focus. Man, that is insane. This thing's a death trap. Okay, so the fuse you're looking for your brakes lights is on the very top left. Right there, that 10 amp fuse. Sorry about the lighting. Okay, so the fuse you're looking for on your brake lights is just behind this door. Basically, it just kind of, you squeeze it in like this. Drops right down. It's that number 10 fuse right there is your brake lights. You can see in this case, this one was blown and it was the umbilical cord, and I just acquired a stowaway.